turns into doubt.
Should be a different color.
Mi alma tiene sed de Dios, del Dios vivo.
All right, we're gonna start with the basics. All right, Danny, come on up here, man. What would you do if I got in your face right now?
Dream. Wow. But to not overlook any dream. That's what I will always encourage. Yeah. Because even what you might call a pizza dream might just have a hidden meaning.
New color.
Okay, Tracy, here we go.
Jab, step forward. 1, 2. Look at my back foot. It's called pushing the bug. Pivot. Pivot. 1, 2. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. That's it. All right. Step aside. Grab the wrist. 2 hands up. And then drop the knife. 1, 2 here, and 3. Drop the knife. Block hand pushes your way. Up. And then this hand, not tonight. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, hey, Danny, hold up a sec. You ever hear of David who fought Goliath?
That slingshot guy?
Yeah. You want to see how true warriors battle? Read where I put the bookmark. 1 page, okay?
Not much in that religious stuff.
It's just a story, I promise.